Hi guys, it's Kylie. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have my daughter with me. Can you tell me your name?
Hi, I'm Penelope.
And what are we gonna do today?
I'm gonna do Mommy's makeup for her.
Are you so excited? Yeah. So she is, how old are you?
4.
4 years old. Do you want to tell them what you like to do?
I like to do art and I like to do, and I like my friends to play with them. And I even like eating vegetables so I can go stronger and have bigger muscles.
Yeah, you're pretty cool. Thanks.
Let's get started, Mom.
Okay,
Is
well,
this here for you?
so I already have my foundation and a little bit of my eyebrows done, but I figured she could do the rest. I'm gonna hand her some options for each thing, like blush and whatever, and she can pick and do whatever she wants. So what do you want to do first? We'll do eyeshadow towards the end. You want to do my blush?
Yeah.
Okay.
Let's do it, guys. I'm so excited. I'm playing with my new Lego.
Okay, I've got 3 different blushes. So you can choose whichever blush you want.
So I'm doing blush on Mom. Is there anyone on there?
Not right now, but they'll watch it eventually. So you can talk to them.
Good.
Good?
Next thing. What is that?
This is some contour.
Goes on your eyes?
That goes on my cheeks, and my forehead is where I put mine. So you can use that smaller brush, and here's a bigger brush. You can use those.
I'm using this, guys. Dab. 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 Dab.
Are you shaping my face? You're done with that one already? Okay, how about some highlight?
For you watching this video now, you can subscribe and push the like button and push the little bell.
Very good. I didn't even tell her to say that.
I wanted to say it.
This is highlight. So usually I put some on my nose, on the top of my cheekbones.
Everywhere.
You can put it wherever you want.
Tiny breasty. That's pretty, Mom. Boop. Can I do that?
You can put it wherever you want.
Boop, 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 boop. Give me a little bit more.
Sure.
I guess you gotta take the whole thing.
Okay.
Dab, 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 dab.
Wow.
Ooh, this is pretty, this is pretty.
Do I look beautiful?
Look in the mirror.
Wow. Thank you. I'm going to get you a couple eyeshadow brushes and you can do my eyeshadow.
This one is pretty. I want to use that palette.
Okay. We're going in to the eyes now.
What color do I want, Mom?
You tell me, what colors do you want to do?
I want this bright yellow.
Bright yellow. Oh, it matches my shirt.
It kind of matches my shirt.
Your shirt's pink and white. Do you want me to close my eyes?
Can you put another color on this eye?
You can. You can put as many colors as you want.
I'm going to do this red. And it kind of matches. Does it match?
Yeah, it matches your shirt.
Oh yeah, red.
Mm-hmm.
Red. Ooh, that's a lot of red.
Is it pretty?
Mm-hmm. Look in the mirror.
Oh, wow. Yes. So cool.
It's going up to your eye a little bit.
Yeah, loving it.
Ooh, this is cool. I'm going to do this glitter in this. What color is this?
That looks like a bronzy copper. Yeah.
Gold, gold. Look in the mirror. Look.
How about I'll look at this one.
Okay. Okay.
That's pretty. It's very shimmery.
Ooh, I'm gonna do this pink.
Ooh, love the
It
pink.
kind of matches that. It
Yeah.
matches my pants.
It sure does. It's beautiful.
I'm gonna touch it there. Ooh. Ooh.
It's okay. More red? All right.
I can do whatever I want. Touches of the eyebrow.
Mm-hmm.
And even that. It's going up. Do you see?
Ooh, loving it. Wow. You crazy girl.
Ba, 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 ba.
All right.
Can I put some glue in here?
Mm-hmm. You can do whatever you want, baby.
Okay. Another blue.
More blue.
There's one more. I'm gonna do. Which color looks beautiful, Mom?
They all look beautiful. I love all of them. Ooh, shimmer pink. Love it.
I'm done with this.
Done with my eyeshadow? All right. I think we're looking pretty good. Do you want to do my mascara?
Yeah!
Oh my goodness.
Where does your mascara go?
On my eyelashes. Yep. Very. Oh my gosh. Careful. I don't want to poke my eye out.
It's not moving. Hey, look. Ooh. Close your eye. Ooh.
It's okay.
It's on your nose.
It's
It's in
okay.
there.
Whoops. All right. What about lipstick? Look in this drawer. You can pick out any color you want.
Is there some lipstick?
Yeah, that's lipstick. Those are all lipsticks. They're all lipsticks, honey.
This is lipstick. This lipstick.
Okay, which one are you going to pick?
I take this one, guys, and this is how you open it.
Boink.
Pull out from the side.
Mm-hmm. You gotta pull it. Ooh.
Look at this.
What do you want me to do with my lips?
What? Can you do it?
No, you gotta do it.
That's okay. Look at in here.
Wow.
There's
So
a little text of that.
perfect.
That's okay.
That's okay. You did wonderful. Would you go to the store with me looking like this? Yeah? You like it? That's pretty much it. You did it all. Do you want to put on some lipstick on yourself?
Yeah.
Why don't you pick one out? I think you did a great job with my makeup. You want a mirror? Here.
Huh.
Oops.
Oops, that's okay.
That's okay.
I'm the gooder one because I put it on there carefully.
Yeah, you are the gooder one. Wow, you did a good job.
Bye, guys. We love you so much. And we love you too, neighbor.
Thanks for watching, guys.
Make sure you give a thumbs up, push that like button, and push subscribe, and put that motivation down below. Bye-bye.
Bye.
The twin sister.
Oh, we're twins now?
Yeah.
I love you.